Hey Danny, Kelsey here with Mixed Digital Marketing. Just want to leave you this quick video in regards to some SEO strategies we recommend you doing to your website to help it ranking higher in Google. So we usually recommend three things. The first is content, second is backlinks, third is citations. So content, like I mentioned on the phone, is just words on the page. And so we recommend for the home page 1,000 to 1,500 words, and then each additional page 500 to 750 words. And this isn't just any words, it's keyword rich content. And so if we look over your homepage here, we can see that there's roughly 100 to maybe 200 words on this page. And so we definitely want to uplift the amount of words that are here on your page. And that's just because with Google's algorithm, it only can truly determine what your website does based on the words and helps build that trust. If you don't have enough words, although your design of your website looks neat, Google can't help you rank for all the different keywords that you should be ranking for. And so how do we do that? And so we use our software called Ahrefs. So Ahrefs helps us determine kind of the rank of your website as well as the power that it's bringing. And so I incorrectly mentioned some numbers over the phone, and I was looking at a different website, but your website actually has some lower numbers. And so here you can see that there's a rank in the millions, which is totally fine because this software calculates every website on the web. But these are the ratings that we truly care about here. So the URL rating, which is just at 1, is definitely really low, and that this represents the power of your homepage. And so not only the backlinks, but the internal links and the content that you have on your website here. And so this shows me that there's definitely room for improvement there. And then domain ranking is based on the power of the backlinks that are being driven to your page. And so although it looks like you have 3 referring domains and only 2 are do follows, it just means that these backlinks aren't very powerful. And so we definitely want to uplift the amount of backlinks that you have. And so backlinks are blog posts, influencer pages, things that have that hyperlink that links back to your website. It shows Google that other people are recommending you and building that trust and kind of overall popularity of your website. And here you can see that you're only ranking for 18 keywords. And when I go into your competitor here in a second, you can see that they're ranking for more keywords. And so they're just more out there that you're able to rank for. And we want to get you ranking for them. So what I did was I typed in Austin patent attorney. And so this keyword gets 250 searches per month. And that was just based on the software tool that I was just on. And so with that, we can see that there is a lot of volume that you're able to capture that you just aren't currently capturing for. So usually there's an ad section. Right now that's not appearing for some reason, but that's that cost per click that we were talking about over the phone that people pay for to get a certain amount of traffic for this keyword. And so usually that gets about 20% of the traffic. And so that leaves 80% for the rest of the group. And so that leaves the map pack, which will get about 30 to 40%, and organic search will get the rest. So with the map pack, the number one thing that helps you rank higher in the map pack is your organic ranking. And then the number 2 thing is citations, which I'll go into last. And so your organic ranking here, you can see that. So Thompson Patent Law is the highest of the normal businesses. This is just kind of a listing of businesses. So they're the number 1 ranking, and they're not the number 1 ranking here, but that's because they're based in Cedar Park. And so we did the search of Austin. So if you're not based in Austin, you won't appear directly in the map pack. And so if I look here, the next business is Pearson Patent Law, and then thus they're the number 1 business there. So we'll click in here to see why they are ranked on the top of the map pack. So you can see here quickly, so your website is honestly nicer than theirs, but they just have more content, more words here that is able to capture and build more trust with Google. So I typed in their website into the system, and you can see that they do have more power, albeit not that much more power, because their URL rating is only at 8, their domain rating is only at 5. So this is easily attainable to get above and beyond fairly quickly. And you can see here that they have 46 referring domains for those backlinks. Really, only 22 of them are do follow, which means that there's only 22 of the 46 that are actually giving them power back. Not every backlink is created equally, and so we want to make sure we're getting you do follow backlinks each and every month to help build that power and build that trust with Google. And you can see here they're ranking for 610 keywords compared to the 18 that yours was showing. And so Lastly, brings us back to the map pack and citations. And so citations are the number 2 thing that helps you rank high here. And so citations are online directories like the Yellow Pages, or even things like Facebook and Yelp, where you have your name, address, and phone number exactly as you set it up in Google My Business. And so I saw that you have set it up in there, but you are ranking fairly low on that. And that's probably due to the fact that you don't have any citations and building that trust with Google across the web. For those. And we want to make sure they are batched exactly, because if they're not, you do get penalized, and it's just one less citation that is trustworthy that you could be getting. And so we have a software that allows us to see how many these top competitors are getting, and we want to get at least double what they have. And because there's lots and lots of online directories out there that we can get you on. And so those are our 3 top recommendations. You can visit us at www.nixdigitalmarketing.com to learn more about what we can do. But thanks